Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Hoover SmartWash carpet cleaners. On the left, I got the Pet Complete, and on the right, this is the turquoise one. Now on the turquoise one, I've got this handle. I got a built-in spot treater. It's got some solution in there. I can spray the button and concentrated solution will come out to help me get stains out. Okay, so we got some grape juice here. We got some chocolate. Let's see how they do. But first, with the purple one here, I've got this spot chaser. I can spray some solution just by pressing this button and it goes to work already. You can see it's got oxy in it that does a really good job. This is a really, really tough stain. So we're going to see how they do side by side. All right, let's put this handle back in, just slides back in. Release the wands and turn them on. They're both easy to pull. Now that purple one, it's definitely getting it out quicker. I'm using the same solution in both of them. Okay, we can see with the help of that spot chaser spraying on that pre-treat solution, it actually did a really good job. Now let's say you want to just wash. Take the solution bottle out, and now it's not going to mix solution with the water. Now we can just rinse the carpet. Now I'm going to switch. I'm going to press the dry only button and it's not going to put anything down. Okay, so being able to pre-treat those stains did help out a bunch. And again, that you're using this Oxy Spot Chaser. Now cleanup will be the same. You just empty out the dirty water tank. So let's see, everybody asked me how dry did they get it? You know, it's pretty dry actually. I mean, it feels damp to the touch, but it's not like sopping wet. And again, this just has the water in it. That way when you take the solution bottle out, it just puts water down. Now you'll see these lights go back and forth. When you were going forward, it washes. When you go backwards, it doesn't put solution down anymore. And these are very simple. You simply just take this over to the sink, lift this latch, you can empty this out. I like that you can take this all apart and get this nice and clean. Okay, so it's gonna come down to price. The turquoise one's $220 right now, and the purple one's $235. I would definitely get the purple one. I absolutely love this handle up here. The spot chaser, that's a really, I mean, you got to buy extra solution. This has oxy in it. That's why it does so well with those stains. But I love that feature. I didn't know that I was going to like that much. I like the red matte. These things do actually, after you're done, if you don't let it air dry, they will kind of leak a little bit when they're done. I think the hose is a little bit longer also. I do like this tool, is really nice for really being able to grip and stain and get stains out really good. So there's not that much of a price difference, and I do think you get a lot more for the price of this purple one. So if you don't need that little spot stain, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the turquoise one. It does the same job cleaning, other than a few extra little features. So be sure and check out my Instagram page. Look for my Just a Dad Videos logo over there. I'm on Instagram. If you could hit a follow, and I'm on my Facebook group page. I also do robot vacuum cleaner reviews and comparisons. That's my brand new Eufy X10 Pro Omni. I absolutely love it. I got the Dream L10S, the Roborock Q Revo. They got a brand new Q Revo coming out that I'm going to be purchasing. I'll compare it to the old one, the S8. Here's some standard robot vacuum cleaners, the Q5, Eureka. Got some Tinicos, Roombas. So if you want to see some more robot vacuum cleaners and some carpet cleaners, hit the subscribe button. Again, thanks for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks again.